Hey everyone! Did you know your garage can be more than just a place to store your car? In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money from your garage with simple and creative ideas. Let's dive in. Number 1. Start a storage business. If you have extra space in your garage, why not turn it into a storage unit? Many people are looking for affordable places to store their belongings, especially in urban areas where storage units can be expensive. You can offer to store things like seasonal items, furniture, or even extra inventory for small businesses. There are apps like Neighbor.com that can connect you with people in need of storage space. You can charge a monthly fee, and with minimal effort, you could start earning a steady income right from your garage. Number 2. Sell used items or furniture. Take a look around your garage. How many unused items do you have collecting dust? Old furniture, sports equipment, tools, or vintage items could be worth a lot more than you think. You can sell these items online on platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Craigslist. Or if you're into upcycling, you can repurpose old furniture or decor into something new and sell it for a profit. Even just organizing and selling what's lying around could make you some serious cash. Number 3. Start a car detailing business. Have a love for cars? Why not start a mobile car detailing business from your garage? People are always looking for ways to keep their vehicles clean and shiny. With a small investment in equipment like a pressure washer, vacuum, and cleaning supplies, you can provide a premium service right from your own home. You can start by offering basic cleaning services and then expand into more specialized options like waxing, engine cleaning, or interior detailing. It's a great business with low overhead costs. Number 4. Home-based workshop. If you're crafty or have a hobby like woodworking, metalworking, or crafting, your garage could be the perfect place to start a small business. You could create custom furniture, handmade crafts, or even upcycled home decor. Sell them online on platforms like Etsy or at local markets and craft fairs. With a bit of creativity and skill, you can turn your garage into a workshop where you're not just working on your hobbies, but turning them into profitable products. Number 5. Set up a home gym and offer classes. Is your garage big enough to transform into a home gym? Fitness is always in demand, and you can take advantage of this trend by offering personal training or group fitness classes right from your garage. Whether it's yoga, HIIT, or strength training, people are willing to pay for convenient, affordable fitness sessions. You can offer classes to individuals or small groups and even market your services locally or online through social media. Number 6. Rent out your garage space. If you have a spare parking space or room in your garage, you could rent it out. People are always in need of garage parking in busy areas. You could rent it for car storage. Or if you don't need the space, you can even list it on platforms like Stowit or Parkopedia to make money while you're not using it. It's a simple way to earn cash without doing much at all. So there you have it. Your garage isn't just for parking your car. It can be a money-making machine with the right idea. Whether you want to start a small business, sell items you don't need, or provide a service, the possibilities are endless. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more creative business ideas. Thanks for watching, and good luck turning your garage into a gold mine.